Hey all, my name is Sean and I'm the Vice President of Strategy and Biz Dev over at Calidus. And today I'm going to show you how the oral argument simulator actually works. So if I go to the home page, I'm going to scroll down under the Litigation Solutions track. And the last one you're going to see Oral Argument Simulator. Now this allows you to do a couple of things. Number one, when you have a case, you can upload both your brief as well as opposing counsel's and get a really detailed breakdown about what this case's core issues are. And then from there, you can actually interact with our simulator going back and forth, and then we'll give you the results. We'll give you strengths, weaknesses, and give you suggestions on how you can go ahead and improve. So how does it work? I click on this. Like anything else, we're always going to add a matter, and we're going to enter the matter name and put a description of the case. Once you do that, your matter is going to appear here, and it looks like a box. You're going to click on that, right? Now, the first tab here, it says upload documents, right? So it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to have an oral argument where you are going back and forth with the judge? Are you cross-examining a witness, perhaps, right? Let's just say it's the judge. You're going to select which stage of the trial you're going to be in, right? Just put trial. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and upload your brief. Supporting brief means your brief. You're going to go ahead and briefly explain the contents. And then you have a couple of other options, which are optional, not mandatory. You can choose to upload the counterparty's brief. You can also choose to upload a bunch of other documents if you want. The more context you give us, the better information that we're going to have to be able to give you that oral argument too. And lastly, let's just say you have an outline already prepped for your oral argument, maybe like a script or anything else. You can upload that here too. Then you'll hit start background research. From there, we'll get really granular about what the core issues are. So we'll give you the case overview, the factual background, relevant legal issues, counterparty's arguments with cases that actually support those arguments as well, right? We give you the core factual discrepancies, your arguments, your supporting cases, and really a whole bunch of other data that allows you to get really in the weeds with this particular matter. Once you're done, you're going to go back up, you're going to hit continue to oral argument. This is the section where you just click on this and you go back and forth with our tool, which is pretty interesting. And once you're done, we're going to go ahead and give you some feedback and analysis. So that's going to look like this, where, again, we'll give you the strengths, the weaknesses, suggestions for improvement, and just regular areas to watch out for. And then over here, you can actually see the transcript at hand if you want to get a little bit more in the weeds as well. So that's the oral argument simulator in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@calidusai.com, and always happy to help. Best of luck. Bye.